stay jailed. Question 5b, outline 6 occasions when Nehemiah prayed. Middle row. When Nehemiah prayed, the back there, not here. Yes? Yes, true. Yes, true.
To see God's intervention during the
So he prayed when he got the bad report from the Jews that Jerusalem was in ruins, when he was about to ask permission from King who? Artaxerxes, in order to go to Judah and rebuild the wall. He also, when Sanballat ridiculed the rebuilding of the wall, when Tobiah threatened to fight the people of Jerusalem, also when he was threatened to be killed by his enemies, who are what? Geshem the Arab. When he had purified the rooms in the house of God, after warning the people against ignoring the Sabbath law, he also prayed after he stopped the Israelites from intermarrying with what? With foreigners. 5c, state the relevance of Prophet Jeremiah's suffering to Christians today. How is it related to Christians suffering today? So Christians should remain faithful to the call of God, regardless of the challenges. They must be ready or willing to proclaim the word of God. They should depend on God. That is, they should be prayerful. They should expect opposition while serving God. Christians should forgive their offenders. That is, they should not revenge. Christians should be aware of false prophets. They should endure suffering. Christians also should forgive their enemies and love them. They should always stand for the truth in whatever situation they face. Question 6a, outline 6 roles of priests in traditional African communities. Yes? You can, yes? Yes. You wanted to measure the activity?
They settled the disputes
among the people, disputes. This side. Yes. So roles of priests. Yes. So they performed cleansing or healing rituals. They reconciled warring parties. They also they took part in decision making, especially during calamities like war or epidemics or drought. They foretold the future. They offered sacrifices on behalf of the community. They acted as mediators between God and the people. They offered prayers during occasions like birth, initiation. They acted as judges. They advised people on the right way of social living. They installed kings and chiefs. They were custodians of the community, taboos, and region, and they appeased the spirits and drove away witches. It's the same point. Give 7 reasons why pregnancy before marriage was rare in traditional African communities. Yes?
They married at an early age.
Yes, true. Yes, virginity was highly respected. We did it the other day. So girls who became pregnant before marriage were severely punished. Sex before marriage was prohibited. So virginity was upheld. Parents were held responsible for daughters' conduct. During social occasions, the youth were not supposed to misbehave or to mix. There was physical separation between the sexes. That is, there was physical separation between the boys and the girls. There were rules and regulations on sex relationship. The act of early marriage, we've already been told. The whole community was concerned about the morals. The youth were made aware of the consequences of irresponsible sex. Pregnant girls were forced to marry old men in the community. The man who was responsible for the pregnancy was forced to marry the girl. Question 6C, state the importance of bridal in traditional African communities. We read the other day. Bridal is given as a sign of commitment. It is a sign of commitment by the groom, a way of appreciating the bride's family. It cements the marriage. It has a compensation. Actually, that was the first one. Compensation to the bride's parents for the loss of the girl's services. It is an evidence that the groom has the ability to take care of the wife and the family. It initiates a long-lasting friendship between the two families. It is an act of generosity on the man's side. It gave the man a right of ownership of their children. So if the girl did not pay, if the man did not pay dowry for the girl's clan would claim ownership of the children. It was also to replace her physical presence and labor in a family. I didn't mention that when I was teaching earlier. So we move to paper 2.